Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to easily change your keyboard language on your iPhone 16 or any iPhone running on iOS 18 or later. Let's get started. To add a new language to your iPhone keyboard, go to Settings. Tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Keyboard. Now tap on Keyboards to see your existing keyboards. To add a new one, tap on Add New Keyboard. You can browse the list of keyboards or use the search bar to find the language you need. For example, I will add 2 languages. To remove a keyboard, tap on Edit in the top right corner. Tap the red minus sign next to the keyboard if you want to remove. Tap Delete and then Done. To switch between languages on your iPhone keyboard, tap the globe icon. If you have multiple languages, long press on the globe icon. This will display all your keyboard layouts. Select the desired language you want to use. That's it. You have successfully learned how to change your keyboard language on your iPhone running on iOS 18 or later. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.